Hi everyone. So I wanted to show you a little bit of what's going on at Nordstrom in Chicago. It's one of my favorite stores in Chicago for so many different reasons, but I want to walk you through and just show you what's here and how wonderful this store is, especially if you're looking for different options for designer. They have absolutely everything here, and just by my footage that you'll be seeing, you'll know exactly what I mean. As you can see, there's the Louis Vuitton store there. There's a Prada in here. There's a Gucci. There's also Saint Laurent. And what I love about this is that all of the items are just out. Not all the items, but a lot of the items are just out for you to look at. So all these really cool Burberry bags. Super cute. This is super cute. And I love that nobody's just hovering over you. You can walk around the store, you can look at some items and not feel like people are hovering over you. There's Balenciaga, so you've got a lot of Balenciaga bags there. I think this one's really cute, it's really sporty. But you've got Versace, some other designer. I can probably get lost in this store all day. I'll show you a little bit of how the Gucci layout is, but you can see the Gucci here. It's like right out in the open as well. Super cute. You do have to go inside though if you want to look at some of the Gucci items. It's all super cute. There's some Coach here. There's a Saint Laurent, as you can see. They even have like a little clearance section here. I see some Coach items in here. Tory Burch. This is really cute. A lot of cute stuff here. That's cute. Tory Burch. Super cute tote. Love it. Super cute. And there's a really small little mini one. Would love to hear what you guys think. If you guys have visited the store, I mean, I'd love to hear your thoughts. So I want to show you, they have a really cool men's section as well. So if you're here shopping for yourself, or if you're shopping for someone special in your life, they have really cool shoes as well. Super cool. Really cute slides. Ooh, I really like these. These are super cute. Prada. So we've got the Prada selection as well. Super cute. They have everything here. Here's Salvador Ferragamo. I'll show you some of that as well. Cute dress shoes. So here we have Saint Laurent. Super cute. Balenciaga. Now Burberry. Ooh, they have the men's Valentino. Yeah. Like I said, I can be here forever. And they even have a Versace collection, so I do want to show you that really quick. Super cute. And these, they actually have a clearance section, which I think is kind of cool. They have a designer clearance section. Oh, I think these are pretty neat. Gosh, like I was saying earlier, geez, they just have such a large selection of shoes here. Super, super cute. It's actually somewhat overwhelming, if I'm being honest, because I just want to try them all on. Super cute. So you've got the Jimmy Choo here as well. I don't know if any of you own any Jimmy Choos, but I will tell you I have some shoes, some sandals. They're actually pumps, but super cute and super comfortable. And then you could see the Christian Louboutin. It's like a big part of the store is just Christian Louboutin, but again, super, super cute. What do you guys think about these? These look cute. They're interesting. I like the tan color better. You've got Chloe here as well. Again, it's right out in the open. You can just grab what you want. These are really, really big right now. The different colors. I do have a Chloe bum bag that will be doing a review on, if it's not up on my channel yet by the time I post this video. And there I am. Well, I wanted to just do a quick shoe and just show you what kind of designer is out here and why I absolutely love Nordstrom. But by the looks of all of this, you can see there's no question why Nordstrom's pretty awesome. Here's all the Fendi. Super, super cute. So, okay, so I do want to show you something which I think is really interesting about Nordstrom. And I'm not sure if this is a Chicago Nordstrom type thing or if this is actually all Nordstroms have this. But one of the things I think is really funny is that they actually have a bar, an actual full bar right in the Nordstrom. I think it's pretty funny. But I'm sure all the guys are hanging out there while their wives do all the shopping. So I just thought I'd share that. Yes. You're not in it, I promise. It's just a drink.
Cool jewelry.
Unless you want to go viral or something. Maybe hey.
How many followers do you have?
Okay, so I do want you guys to come and look back at my channel because I am going into Louis and I am planning on buying something really special. So stay tuned and I hope you guys will check back in. Hey, if any of you are planning on visiting Nordstrom's in Chicago, I would love to hear your thoughts. And if there's a Nordstrom close to you, my assumption is that a lot of the Nordstroms are very similar. So I'd love to hear what your thoughts are about Nordstrom. Do you enjoy it? Do you like it? Is it just too overwhelming or what? But I will see you soon.